Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Azure Data Factory in just a few minutes using the Azure portal. Step 1. Portal Login. First, log into the Azure portal by going to portal.azure.com and signing in with your account. Step 2. Search and create. In the search bar, type Data Factory and select the option from the results. Then, click on the Create button. Step 3. Fill details. Now we'll enter the basic details. Select your subscription, choose a resource group, pick the region closest to your data, and give your data factory a unique name. Step 4. Review and deploy. Once done, click Review plus Create. After the validation passes, click Create to start the deployment. Step 5. Launch Studio. When the deployment finishes, click on Go to Resource, then click Launch Studio to start building your data pipelines. And that's it, your Azure Data Factory is ready. In the next video, we'll build our first pipeline to move and transform data.